Ozo reaffirms his love for Nengi as he proposed marriage to her. Nengi and I will remain together forever till we leave this earth, Ozo says. Bbnaija star Ozo has revealed his undying love for Nengi as he hopes they stay together as long life partners who would be there for each other. Ozo was engaged in an interview on Rhythm 94.7 in Abuja where he was quizzed on his current relationship status with his love interest Nengi. Ozo made it known that he sees himself and Nengi as long life partners who would stay true to each other and have each other's back if any of them needs a shoulder to cry on.
Wants to do things in a positive way, in a very, and she, yeah, like I said, she knows what she wants. So for me, definitely, I'll definitely get attracted to someone like that, and for me, there's no shame at all in that situation.
At the final party,
Mm.
it was said that, oh, you had ignored her and she was crying that night. She said a lot. What happened really? Was it some people who had told you, oh, ignore Nengi? What happened?
No, like me and her, we spoke about it even before, while we're together in the house. We said, when we leave here, there's always going to be lots of negatives, but one thing we can't do is we can never let public perception take anything away from what both of us have, you know. So I felt, and she herself, she explained this, she thought that at that point public perception had gotten to me.
Yes.
Since I was outside the house, but no, it was just directives we were given, because at that point we already knew Lakon was going to win.
Yes,
so
yes.
you couldn't go close and then start giving out signals or anything. So we all had directives to stay away, and for me, I took it for what it was. But no, she knows that for me.
You're cool now?
Yeah, no, because at that point, even when she was crying, I was like, okay, by tomorrow she's going to understand, and she'll know that public perception wasn't going to change.
Is there a future?
Me now, I'm in Abuja, she's in Lagos. She's trying to, she's pushing with her brand and everything. For me, I'm doing the same.
Yeah.
But me and her, like I said, will always stay loyal to each other. And yeah, time will tell how the friendship will grow. But me and her, like forever till we leave this earth, definitely.
So you guys are cool right now outside the house?
Yeah, extremely.
Great stuff.
All right, so let's talk about your clothing line. I know when you got out, you saw the name Fit by Ozo.